My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Btc-A. This is the ransomware that may considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware called Btc-A may be easily injected into the computer. It then reveals this ransom note, which I believe is presented in Spanish, I guess, or maybe Portuguese. The ransomware note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. By the way, to download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by the ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then start researching the computer by clicking on Start Scan button. The program, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the system. In advance, I would like to warn you that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect your data, but it does not decrypt the files that got damaged by this ransomware. There is a special anti-ransomware feature in Combo Cleaner, which helps to protect the data. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. So consider upgrading to Premium. This is one of the best solutions for getting your data protected, and you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Furthermore, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, and possibly even to decrypt some of your data. Please find a special link for this purpose in the description to this video.